The Sales Organization, Chapter 4, Part 3. Basic types of sales organizational structures. The simplest form of the sales organization is the line sales organization. In a line sales organization, every salesperson reports to a line sales manager, and the line managers individually report to the sales manager. Reporting relationships are simple and clear. Each executive reports to only one person. It is suitable for small and simple organizations. As an organization becomes complex, specialist staff managers provide expertise in areas like training, promotion, market research, performance evaluation, etc. This is a simple organization chart for a line sales department. Here, the sales manager reports to the general manager. Assistant sales managers of each of the 4 divisions report to the sales manager, and salespeople report to assistant sales managers. Line and staff sales organization. As an organization grows in complexity, staff roles are added. Typically, staff executives have expertise in different aspects of sales. They do analytical work and perform support functions. Staff executives submit recommendations to top sales executives, who in turn use discretion to issue instructions as required. In this organization chart, the general sales manager heads an organization which has line managers as well as staff managers such as Director of Sales Training, Sales Personnel Director, Sales Promotion Manager, and Director of Dealer and Distributor Relations. Functional sales organization. It is derived from the management theory developed by Frederick Taylor. Each individual in an organization should have a few distinct duties. There are a number of executives at the same level, each having responsibilities for a specific function. These functions could be direct selling, sales promotion, dealer and distributor relations, sales training, sales personnel, and after sales service. Each of the functional managers has direct line responsibility for results. Each functional manager interacts with each executive at the next lower level and has jurisdiction to issue instructions. The organization chart here shows a number of functional managers such as installation and service manager, manager of sales training, manager of sales supervision, manager of sales promotion, manager of dealer and distributor relations, and manager of sales personnel. Each of these functional managers has a direct relationship with each salesperson at the next lower level, as shown in the chart. This organization structure is highly complex and is prone to confusion and conflict. A committee sales organization uses expertise of different executives drawn from the divisional office, regional office, and functional areas like HR, finance, and production. For example, a sales training program may be designed by a committee that includes representatives of HR, finance, and production, as well as senior regional marketing and sales managers. Once the details of the program have been worked out, implementation is left to the training manager.